The first Lockheed Martin LM-400 has left the company's digital factory manufacturing line and is moving toward its anticipated launch in 2023. The LM-400 is a versatile, mid-sized satellite that can be customized for military, civil, or commercial customers. One platform can handle various missions, including remote sensing, communications, imaging, radar, and persistent surveillance, thanks to the flexible LM-400 spacecraft bus architecture. Starting at the size of a typical home refrigerator, it is expandable and adaptable, with the capacity to increase for higher power and larger payloads and packed to permit numerous satellites per launch. Lockheed Martin's software-defined satellite architecture, SmartSat-TM, offers even more mission flexibility and can carry out onboard edge data processing, which shortens the time it takes for mission operators and decision-makers on the ground to get useful data. The LM-400 is already covered by a number of contracts, the most recent of which names it as one of the satellite buses supporting the upcoming Missile Track Custody program of the American Space Force in medium Earth orbit. The LM-400 tech demonstrator is the first in a line of self-funded, on-orbit LM-400 technology demonstration missions to show off new capabilities and increase the technological maturity of satellites and sophisticated payloads. The following LM-400 demonstration, scheduled to fly in 2024, will test an electronically steered array payload with synthetic aperture radar capabilities. It will carry a narrowband communications payload.